Making slime is a fun and creative project. Let's discover the simple steps to create fluffy and colorful slimes at home. To start, gather your materials. You will need white glue, water, starch, food coloring, and styrofoam. These items are common and easy to find. Now follow these steps closely. Step 1. Mix glue and water in a bowl. Make sure to combine them well for an even texture. Step 2. Add food coloring to your mixture. Choose your favorite colors to make your slime vibrant. Step 3. Stir in starch. This will help the slime achieve its fluffy texture. Step 4. Knead the slime by hand. This step helps to develop its stretchy quality. Play and have fun with your creation. Each of these steps is simple and enjoyable. Remember, the key to a perfect slime is the mixing and kneading techniques. Once you have completed all the steps, you'll have an amazing fluffy slime. It's an excellent way to brighten your day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fun DIY projects. Click the like button to encourage him to create more videos. Start your slime making adventure today.